Alright, hey guys, we're here in Yogyakarta, and I just wanted to show you this really nice cafe. It's called Hagia, or Hagia Coffee, Hagia Cafe, something like that. You'll see it on Google. It's really quite nice. It's in this like very not main street at all, but it's right across from the Liberta Malioboro, if that's easier to find. You come in, you have some outdoor seating here, some parking space for your bikes if you need it, outdoor area, the Wi-Fi here, super duper fast. When you come in, there's a lot of other really nice seating, there's some lovely staff, and they have really good prices, the coffee, the food, it's all really good. They have charging, air conditioning, everything. They even have an outdoor space here if you don't want to hear the music, or you just want to be more natural. Because look, they've got a skylight. Anyway, you should definitely come check out the place. I've been here 3 times already in my short stay, and it's one of the best cafes I've found here in Yogyakarta. So come check it out. We're here at Kopi Luwak, Mataram, and we're here to get the famous Kopi Luwak.
She's gonna escort us.
And explaining how the process make Kopi Luwak was.
Okay.
So come follow me.
We've got a tour guide.
So
Right
hello
here.
to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Mary. Nice to meet you. We are from industry in here. We make Kopi Luwak. Kopi Coffee.
Okay.
Luwak is the name animal in the kids.
Ah, okay.
It is like mongoose or raccoon. It's family, but this is native from Indonesia, from Java and Sumatra Island.
Ah, okay.
And this is nocturnal animal. Yeah, nocturnal animal. During the day they only sleep, but when in the night they run.
Ah, okay. Is this animal here?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is animal in here. We took from our coffee farm. We have coffee farm in the mountain of Liangono, so for our from here. Animal in here just for example.
Ah, okay. This is the example animal.
Example animal only. Because we make coffee from the poop.
Yeah.
But don't worry, it is the best coffee in the world.
That's what they say.
Coffee.
Yeah.
That's the reason many people come to here every day. They want to try Kopi Luwak.
Could you explain how the tradition was started?
Correct.
Because it's quite strange.
Yeah, okay. But I will explain you how the process was.
Ah, okay.
And then yeah, so in our coffee farm, when in the net, a lot of well like this come, and then they climb coffee tree, and then they have good nose, good smelling. With the nose, they can select the best coffee. So they only eat the good coffee, they select the best coffee only. And then they also eat fruit, banana, papaya. Good coffee and fruit eat together and mixing in the stomach. About 10 hours keep in the stomach, and the fermentation happen in the stomach anymore. After 10 hours keep in the stomach, in the morning we go to poop. You saw in the poop.
They're showing us the poop. Oh.
So this is the poop.
Oh, this is the poop, guys.
Don't worry, not smell. Not smell. Not smell. Many good enzyme in the
You don't
stomach.
smell
anymore.
anything.
That's why
No?
not smell.
Oh, yeah.
They have good enzyme inside. That's why not smell.
Ah.
So if you know fresh fruit coffee, like cherry, like berry,
Yeah.
the animal eat half of the fruit because it is sweet. But the bean inside is hard. So no chew. Just solo. And it just in the stomach.
Just goes for a ride.
Yeah. That's why when come out, bean still bean. And this is we collect every morning from the ground in our coffee farm. And this is not before washing.
Before what?
Before washing.
Before washing.
And then after this, we wash with water and milk. So this is before washing, and in here is after washing. After washing, we spread it like this, and about 1 week, we are dry under sun. And then after 1 week, we are dry, we are peeling the bean. So this is green bean coffee. So only in the green bean like this, we are roasting. Skin, we are throw away. We make to the farm, we make for compost. Okay? So don't worry, don't imagine from the poop again. We make many process. From the poop we wash, we dry, and then we are peeling the bean, just put the bean inside.
Ah,
Okay? So don't worry, come. And in here, we are peeling the bean. We do it manually one by one.
Really?
Yeah, we don't use machine in here because if you use machine, 20% the bean will be broken. A lot of bean will be loose. So you can try also. Yeah. So we just click the middle.
So you just take one and then break it this way or with the line?
With the line.
With the line.
And then dip in here, spin in here. When do it with the machine, can, but 20% the bean will be broken. A lot of bean will be loose. We don't want to use the bean.
Ah, okay.
All from the good bean.
Wow.
And then, this is we are roasting skin. We have to for compost for fertilizer. But for normally coffee, regular coffee, they are roasting together with the skin without open. But when we are roasting together with the skin, it is more bitter, more sour.
Wow.
So
So
in
you
here-
do it different ways.
In here, we are roasting without skin. That is coffee not too bitter, not too sour. We are roasting. You can smell.
Are these all different?
Same.
All the same.
You can smell from the beginning.
Oh, it does smell good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Here, give it a
Oh.
smell.
Wow, it's really good.
Yeah.
Like chocolate.
Like chocolate, correct. And this
Yeah.
is coconut sugar, all from the good bean. That's why the bean is nice to eat also. Give your hand.
really?
Eat together and chew. That is like coffee
Oh, you
candy.
just eat it like that?
That is like coffee candy.
Coffee candy.
You can try. It's a nice taste.
Oh.
It's like
Wow.
espresso, right?
Mm-hmm. Wow, it's so good.
Espresso.
And we make a powder also in here. You can smell all. Smell so good all from the good bean. Now I will prepare coffee for you. You can try the coffee first. Okay? You sit in there, wait a moment please.
Oh, this is good stuff, guys. Okay, no sugar coffee.
The first time you can try without sugar, so you know original taste coffee.
Yeah.
And then second, we have coconut sugar in here. Put one like this, keep in your mouth, and then drink the coffee. You don't need mixing in the cup.
Don't mix in the cup.
No, no, no. Well, we don't mixing coffee with sugar. If you mixing coffee with sugar, the taste coffee only sweet. You will be lose the taste coffee. You drink Nescafe or Kopi Luwak will be same taste.
Ah.
That's why don't mixing with sugar. Just put in your mouth and keep the sugar and then drink the coffee.
Well, here we go. You first.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah?
Oh, I'm supposed to grab one after, right?
After.
It was hot.
Yeah? What's the first sip like? Did it change your life?
I didn't get it. I just got a burn.
We are starting 7 years.
No,
Wow.
it's very fragrant.
Yeah? What kind of fragrance? Like laundry detergent?
It's like really aromatic, smooth coffee. It's so smooth. It's not bitter. I think that's the thing about luwak. It's not bitter at all. It gives you an amazing aroma, just like a regular aromatic coffee, but it doesn't have the bitterness. Because usually aromatic bold coffee has a strong bitterness, but this one doesn't have. So you should try it.
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice.
It doesn't have the bitterness at all.
Well, I'm gonna try it with the little coconut sugar
The coconut
thing.
sugar is amazing. Amazing stuff.
It was good.
It's so good. It's not pahit at all.
You can speak bahasa ya.
Yeah, of course, but not like Indonesian, but you know. But it's not pahit,
No,
and
not
that's the thing about luwak. It's not like bitter like any other coffee. So
Yeah.
yeah,
It is coffee not to be the. This is smooth and flavor.
yeah,
Why?
yeah.
Yeah, smooth and flavor. So yeah, why the taste coffee different with another? Because the first is animal, they have good nose. So
Yeah.
they only eat the good coffee. They select the best coffee only.
Right.
And second, because fermentation in the stomach animal, many good enzyme make the coffee low caffeine, caffeine coffee. That's
Yeah.
when it is more smooth. And then also no acid, without acid, safety for your stomach.
Ah, there's no acid?
No acid you can feel without
Yeah,
acid.
yeah, it's not acidic, yeah?
And then
Yeah.
also high antioxidant, high anti-aging. Good for body, for stamina, for the skin also.
It says also low caffeine.
Low caffeine,
Oh.
low bitterness, low acidity.
Oh, so
Okay.
very mild. Okay.
Super mild coffee.
Yeah, I think so. Read this part, guys. Zoom in or do whatever it is you need to do. Well, that was our tasting, guys. This place is pretty cool. They actually have birds here also. And it's, I mean, we are in a rainforest jungle, but like, we just missed a second ago when they start making their bird sounds. You feel like you're like in it, you know? Like that. Did you hear that? Now, we're sitting here.
Just pay for all you can eat.
Yes, all you can eat. How much was it?
37.5, so it's about
Like-
$2 for buffet.
Yeah, $2 and some change. And it's all you can eat, and there's no time limit. So if you just want to come here for breakfast, maybe, and then stay here and eat. We even asked, is there a time limit? She said no. Wow, so this is our knot tea that has lemongrass. All this lemongrass. And then it comes with this crazy sugar. What is it?
She said it was rock sugar?
Yeah, rock sugar.
Oh my
that you
God.
can mix in there.
It smells like pineapples or something.
Really? Let me smell. Wow. This smells like fruit, guys. This is nuts. So do we put this in there and mix?
Yeah, she said you could put
If
it
you
in there
want
if
it.
you want to, but I'm just gonna have it like, because you know I've gotten allergies from the mango last night. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have it.
Yeah, be careful with the mangoes, guys. Deadly, deadly mangoes.
I love mangoes so much, and that was why I saw literally one whole packet of them. I think there were like 3 cut mangoes in there for just lower than $1. Like it's just a couple of cents. So I immediately grabbed it. We didn't have a fridge, and I tried eating everything because I loved it so much. But apparently now I have a sore throat and a runny nose
Yeah.
from the mangoes.
And then there was also melon. I had just one tiny cut of a melon, one tiny cube like the rock sugar. And then I thought I was gonna throw up for like 30 minutes. But that doesn't have anything to do with this place that we're at now. This is the grocery store or something. And the tea. How is the tea?
It's so good. Although I prefer it without the lemon, but it's full of lemongrass and pandan. But I'm gonna try this.
Oh,
It doesn't smell like pineapples.
it does. Can you bite it? Is it hard? Well, don't leave us in suspense.
It does taste like fruity. Definitely like a pineapple candy.
Oh,
It's awesome. Do you want me to like put it in the tea?
let me
Or
take
do you
a
still
bite.
wanna, yeah. You can try it separately.
Yeah, it pretty much tastes like candy. I mean,
Like fruit candy.
it is sugar,
Here,
but I don't know. Should we?
try this tea.
I did.
We should put it in. I think it goes well. That was why
Really?
she gave it. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna do it, guys. We're wondering about the fate of this chicken wondering here because they're selling chicken. So
It's all you can eat.
it's at all you can eat. So can we eat that?
Where else are gonna get it from?
Now, where else are they gonna get it from?
Exactly.
We're gonna get it from the chicken.
I'm gonna actually try a.
We mixed in the rock sugar. Wow,
It's just perfect, I think.
it's the best tea I've had in my entire life.
I should learn
That's
how to
not
make
even, that's not even like joking. or anything. That was really actually the best tea I've ever had. That was amazing.
I'm gonna go try this tofu paste she said. That was really cool. I've never seen it before. It's literally wrapped in a pandan leaf or something. So we'll see how it tastes like.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna order this thing. Traditional blue drink made from butterfly pea flowers.
I'm back with the paste, guys.
Yep.
Tofu paste. Look at how long my nails are. My nails are rarely this long.
Well, they look pretty regular length.
And you know how I always have short nails? Ooh.
Leave a message in the comments below. Do you think her nails are long or short? I think they're pretty short.
This is the most beautiful paste looking thing I've ever seen.
It kind of looks like a tamale. The inside of a tamale.
Alright.
Is it changing your life?
This is straight up veganism, but a good kind. A delicious kind.
So are you saying that veganism is bad?
I wasn't saying that, but you know, just saying the truth. But we're gonna get the comment section exploding. But no, seriously, this is like, she said this was mashed up tofu with spices and stuff. So it literally tastes like fish, like pandan leaf wrapped grilled fish. It's just so flavorful. It's really good.
Out of 10, what would you rate it?
I like it, but to me it's a little bit sour. If it wasn't sour with lime, I would give it like a straight up 9. But because it's sour, I'd give it an 8.
Okay.
It's like fish.
Yeah, for me, that's a no-go. A no-go for me. I recognize the flavor, but it's not the flavor that I want. Not after this amazing thing. Well, here this is in all its beautiful purple beauty. Butterfly pea.